Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss some arithmetic on work and wages. You know, wages means majority. So here is a sum number one. That is, look at the book. Rama can do a certain work in 15 days, while Chandan can do it in 25 days. Both work together and finish the work in what ratio? Ratio means anupato ratio, that is the ratio. Should the total earnings origin be divided between them? So yes, so Ramo can do the work in 15 days. That means Ramos 1 days work is equal to work is 1 upon 15 part, right? Similarly, Chandan's 1 day's work is equal to 1 upon 25. Their ratio is equal to, look at the blackboard, their ratio is equal to 1 upon 15 is to 1 upon 25. Could understand? Now let's say cross multiplication implies 25 is to 15. Cross multiplication is equal to 5 the 5 3 the is equal to 5 is to 3. Which is the correct answer? Tell me.
Number 4.
Number 4 is the correct answer. Thank you. That's like a good girl.
The boy.
Good boy. Okay. You are a boy. You are not a girl. Next one is A, B, C can do a work in 4, 6 and 10 days. Understand? Respectively. They finish the work together and the N rupees 310. What is the share of each? Okay, very easy. It's very easy. Ace 1 day's work is 1/4 part. B's 1 day's work is equal to 1 upon 6 parts. And C's 1 day's work is equal to 1 upon 10 parts. So A plus B plus C's 1 day's work is equal to 1/4 plus 1/6 plus 1/10. LCM is equal to, LCM is equal to how many? 60. 60 divided by 4 is equal to 15 plus 60 divided 6 is equal to 10 plus 60 divided 10 is equal to 6 is equal to how many? 31 upon 60 part. So 30 upon 60 part is equal to how many rupees? 310. Right? Therefore 1/4 part is equal to 310 into 60 upon 31 into 1/4. Right? So 30, what did I say? 30 10 the, right? And 15 the is equal to 150. Right? A's amount is 150. Then again B's is equal to same 300 into 160 upon 31 into 160. 160. So 31 ये 10 दा, ये this one 10 दा is equal to 100 rupees. So B is 100 rupees. And C, let's do it. C is equal to 310 into 60 upon 31 into 1 upon 10 is equal to 10 the. What did I say? 10 the. 10 6 the is equal to 60. Could understand? So the right answer is, what did I say? 150, 160. 150, 160. Which is correct?
Number one.
Number 1.
Yes.
Number 1, this is should be 150. Right? Number 1 is correct. What did I say? Number 1 is correct. Right? Next, number 3. What did I say?
Number three.
A, B and C contract to do a work for rupees 4,200. A can do the work in 6 days, B in 10 days, and C in 12 days. If they work together to do the work, what is the share of C? Could understand it? So, A plus B, A plus B plus C say, okay, 1 day's work is equal work is equal to 1 upon what?
6.
1 upon 6 days plus 1 upon
10.
1 upon 10 plus
1 upon 12.
1 upon 12. Could understand it? Is equal to LCM 60, you know? 60 divided by 6 is equal to 10. 10 plus 60 divided by 10 is equal to
6.
6
6.
plus 60 divided by 12 is equal to
5.
5 is equal to 10, 16, 20, 1 upon 60. So 3 7 da 3 20 da. That is 7 upon 20. So 7 upon 20 is equal to 4,200. Therefore 1 is equal to 4,200 into 20 upon 7. Therefore C is how much? Share is equal to 4,200 into 20 upon 7 into 1 upon 12. Okay, 7 6 the right, 6 2 the 600 the 2 10 the is equal to 1,000. How much? 1,000. Which is correct? Tell me. Which number is correct?
Number 3.
Number 3 is correct. Thank you. Number 3 is correct. Next one is which number? This is number 4. You understand? This is number 4. Okay. So similarly, A, B and C contract to do a work for rupees 6,500. A can do the work in 10 days, B in 15 days, and C in 20 days. If they work together to do the work, what is the share of B? It is just like question number 4. Could understand it?
3.
So you will do you yourself. Okay. So answer is
1. Number
that
1.
is
Number 1.
number 1. Which number? 4. Number 1. Right? Number 1. Right. Next question number 5. Ramo can do a work in 20 days. Ram and Shyam together do the same work in 15 days. If they are paid rupees 400 for that work, what is the share of each? Okay. Ram plus Shyam's, right? Shyam's one day's work is equal to 1 upon 15 parts. Ram's, right? Ram's 1 day's work is equal to 1 day's work is 120 part. Therefore, Shyam's, look at the blackboard, Shyam's 1 day's work is equal to 115 minus 120 is equal to that is 60. 60 divided by 15 is how much? 4 plus 60 divided by 20 is equal to 3, you know, 3. That is 7 upon 60 part. So 4 minus 3, sorry, I made a mistake. This is minus 3 is equal to 1 upon 60. Could understand? So Ram's wage is equal to so 1 upon 15 is equal to how many? How many? Tell me. 400? Therefore, Ram's wage, what is Ram? 120 is equal to 1 upon 20 is equal to 400 into 15 upon 1 into 120. That is 20 is equal to 300. Right? 300. Shyam's wage is equal to 400 minus 300 is equal to 100. So right answer, which is the right answer? Number 5.
1.
That is
Number 1.
300 and 100, right? Okay. Next one is question number 6. Suresh can do a work in 15 days. Suresh and Ramesh together do the same work in 10 days. If they are paid rupees 1,500 for the work, how should the money be divided between them? So this question is just like question number 5, and I believe you can do it. And the answer is, tell me, question number 6.
1.
Question number 6. Number 1. Okay, number 1. You will do it yourself. Next, question number 77. A and B contract ठिकाने to do a work together. Which one?
5. 7.
7 for 300.
300.
For how many? For 300. Right? A alone can do it in 8 days and B alone in 12 days. But with the help of C, they finish it in 4 days. Find the share of C. Okay. So A, B is contracted to do work together for rupees 300. A alone can do it in 8 days and B alone in 12 days, but with the help of the okay, very easy. A, look at the blackboard. A plus B is 1 day's work. Usual how many? Tell me. A 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 12 is equal to, that is 24 LCM of 8 and 12, 24. 24 divided by 8 is equal to 3 plus 24 divided by 12 is equal to 2 is equal to 5 upon 24. Right? That is 5 after 24. A plus B plus C. C 1 day's work is equal to 1 day's work is equal to how many? 1 upon, work is equal to 1 upon 4 part. Therefore, C से 1 day's work is equal to work is equal to 1/4 minus 5 upon 24 is equal to LCM 24. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1 upon 24. CC work. So CC wage 4 is equal to, so 1 upon, therefore CC wage share is equal to 1/4 is equal to how many? 1/4 is equal to how many? Tell me. 300? Right? Therefore, 1/24 CC 1/4 is equal to 300 into 4 upon 1 into 1/24. Right? 4 6 the 6 50 the is equal to 50 rupees. Which is correct? Number
5.
Number 4 is correct. 50. Number 4 is correct.
Number 5.
Number? No. 50 rupees. Here it is 50 rupees. Right. Number 4 is correct. Right. Next one is number 8. What did I say? Number 8. A, B and C undertake to do a work for rupees 660. A and B together do a part of the work and the rest is done by C. How much she get? So rest part is C's rest part is equal to, after A and B has done, the rest part is 1 minus 8 upon 11 is equal to 11 minus 8 upon 11 is equal to 3 upon 11. This is done by C. C's part is equal to 3 upon 11. Could understand? Could understand or not?
Yes.
Could understand or not? So C's share is equal to, so C's 3 upon 11. C's 3 upon 11 of 660 is equal to how many? 660 into 3 upon 11. 11 60 the is equal to 18. Right answer is, which is the correct answer?
Number 3.
Number 3. Number
3.
3. That is 180, rupees 180. Could understand? Now, okay, I shall do it. Now let's move to question number 9. A, B and C undertake to do a work for 7 or 7. A and B together do 5 over 7 of the work and the rest is done by C alone. How much should C get? This is just like question number 8. You can do it. Just you tell me what is the right answer. Tell me.
Number 1.
Number 1, that is 2 not 2.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes. and the next number is 10. A, B and C undertake to do a work for rupees 480. A and B together do 1/4 of the work and rest is done by C alone. How much should C get? This is also the same as question number 8 and 9. You will do it, I hope. So, answer is, tell me.
Number 1.
Number 1, that is 360.
Yes, sir.
Rupees 360.
Yes,
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Next one is, tell me. Number, that is number 11. What did I say? That is number 11. If the wages of 45 women amount to 46,575 in 48 days, how many men must work 16 days to receive 17,250, the daily wage of men being double than those of women? Yes, very easy. 45 women working 45 days get 46575. So one woman working 45 days will get, one woman will 46575. Therefore, one woman working 1 day means upon 45 means 46575 upon 45 into 48 is equal to how many? Is equal to no, don't talk. Could understand? What did I say? 9 5 da 9 5 da 45 remainder 1 15 1 da 15 9 6 67 7 da 63 45 9 5 da. Okay, next 5 1 da 5 0 5 3 5 5 1 and 5. Next 3 16 3 is equal to 345 is equal to 345 upon 16. Could understand? So two women is equal to one man. It's a given. So two women or one man will earn how many? Two women, one woman is equal to this one. Two women is equal to one woman gets 3 4 5 upon 16. There one woman will get 3 4 5 into 16 into 2 8. That is 3 5. Look at the blackboard. 3 5 upon 8. One woman. One man. No, this is 2 men. One woman. This is 2 men. 2 men will get. 2 men, that means one man will get 3 4 8 upon 8 3 4 5 3 4 5 upon 8. Could you understand? What is asked? So, what is asked? The wage of a man being double than those of a woman. So how many men will earn 17,250? Could understand? So 3 4 5 upon 8 is earned by one man. 1 will end 1 into 8 by 3, 4, 5. Therefore, 17,250 will be ended into 17,250 is equal to let's do it 5 6 the 9 the 5 3 the 0 5 0 3 13 45 50 No, it will not do our purpose. So one man could understand. One man gets working. One man working 1 hour gets 345 upon 8. Could understand? So one man working 16 hours will get 345 upon 8 into 16. 2 is equal to 690. So 690 is earned by one man. Therefore, one will be earned 1 into 69. Therefore 17,250 will be earned into 17,250. 0 cancel. Right? So this is 3 5 315 227 5 25. So right answer is 25 men. Would understand? Which is correct? Tell me.
Number 2.
Number 2 is correct. What did I say?
Number 2 is correct.
Number 2 is correct. Number 2 is correct. Okay. Next question. Yes. With this, that is the end of today's math class. We shall do the other maths in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.